Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can solve this red blinking light and beeping sound issue for free. So first of all, unplug your system from wall socket and open the coverings of your system and follow next steps. This issue mostly occurs due to dust inside your system, so clean inside of your system. Clean important parts like video adapters, RAMs, slots of RAMs and different types of cables by using some dry brush and dry tissues or some piece of cloth. Clean this part of your RAM properly and safely fix the RAM into its slot. Clean this part of your RAM properly and safely fix the RAM into its slot.